Are you looking for a high-demand, high-profit niche with a supplier that has your back? Let's be real, your supplier can make or break your business. You can have the best marketing, the best platform, even the best ideas. But if your supplier fails, you fail. So where do you find one that's reliable, proven, and built for long-term success? We are thrilled to introduce DOVOH, a vetted and trusted manufacturer of professional-grade laser levels, now available for you to add to your store. Partnering with DOVOH isn't just about selling a product. It's about building a reputation for quality and reliability. Here's what sets DOVOH apart. Guaranteed fulfillment. If an order is delayed or damaged in transit, DOVOH will issue a full refund within 3 days or reship within 3 to 5 days. That means zero financial risk from logistics. 730-day retailer warranty. Offer your customers a 2-year quality guarantee on every DOVOH laser level. Feature it on your product pages to instantly build trust, crush objections, and boost conversions. And the best part? You can access DOVOH's entire product line directly through Doba, connecting your store to a supplier that delivers precision and reliability. Now, let's take a quick look at 3 of DOVOH's top-selling products, all favorites among construction professionals and serious DIYers, and ready to add to your store today. First up, the DOVOH P3-360G 3x360 Green Self-Leveling Laser Level. The professional's choice for large-scale projects, this high-visibility 3x360 laser level offers 400 feet 122 meters of range with the DR1 receiver, delivering top-tier precision even in bright environments. On Doba, it's just $197, while it sells for $249.99 on Amazon, giving you over $50 profit per unit. A reliable, high-ticket product that elevates both your margins and your store's professional appeal. Next, the DOVOH K4-360G Floor Laser Level 4x360 degrees. The ultimate indoor specialist, providing 4 360-degree laser planes for flawless floor, tile, and ceiling layouts. You can get it on Doba for only $113, compared to $179.99 on Amazon. That's roughly a 55% margin on a fast-moving, high-demand product. In the past month, more than 100 units of this product have been sold. It is a highly popular and reliable product. And finally, the DOVOH H3-360G Kit, Outdoor Laser Level with Receiver. The rugged outdoor powerhouse, built for tough job sites with its ultra-bright laser and precision receiver kit. Priced at $221 on Doba and $279.99 on Amazon, that's nearly $60 profit per unit, and it's been flying off the shelves, with over 400 sold in the past month. A true proof that professional-grade products can be both in demand and highly profitable. If you want to connect directly with top-quality suppliers like DOVOH and access their best-selling products, you don't have to search endlessly yourself. Doba makes it easy. On the Doba platform, you can quickly discover verified suppliers, find hot-selling products, and get them listed in your store fast, freeing up more time to grow your business. Reliable suppliers, trending products, and professional support, this is the value Doba brings to your business.